Hey folks, I'm sitting here on top of this little mountain and I just pulled this sled up here. I'm gonna have a little fire. That's what I do on the weekend. And I got my ration with me. I just hauled this thing up on the sled. And I thought it'd be a pretty cool opportunity to show you one way that you can use this. So I'm melting snow with this thing right now. And I've got a couple different things. I got a first aid kit right here. And some Mountain House meals. And then a little thing of coffee, cream, just some random stuff. And it looks like another Mountain House meal. This is a handy little kit. I'll keep things like snacks and beef jerky in it. And this is a good way to show off, you know, this is kind of how you use the thing. Bring it with you, and you've got a little kitchen, kind of anywhere you go. Just dug that thing out. And this is where I'm at. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.